Okay, welcome to week number 3. This week we are going to talk about facial fat and only facial fat. So all the lectures are going to be to do with how we fit fat, where we fit fat, how it's shaped, what the boundaries are, and essentially we're going to fill in all the nooks and crannies of the skull that have been keeping this from looking approximately like what we see in life, right? Up until now, we've been doing a lot of work on the construction of the skull, placing some big forms like the skeletal muscles, but until we get fat in these cavities, right here in the kind of this malar kind of fossa, we don't see a likeness between a skull and a face, really. And so really fat is going to be that stage where we build this out to something that approximates what we see in life. Beyond that, we need to get into features, which is going to be constructing the nasal cartilage and the lips and the mouth, ears, and we'll leave that for next week. But this week we're going to get into fat, and I think it'll be really interesting because the fat doesn't just blanket over the face, as you know, kind of from your experience seeing people for your entire life, that there's really very distinct places and compartments that fat fits in. And so we're going to talk about all those nuances in the effort to expose the information to you so that when you know that something is there, you are 10 times more likely to see it than if you don't know it's there. So if I tell you that there's retroorbicularis oculi fat right up here in varying amounts on varying people, you will look for that and see how much is there on a person. But if you didn't know it, you wouldn't look for it. And so that's part of what this is all about. It's to expose you to the information, and then it's to give you the chance to observe this in life. So all these forms that we're going to talk about, part of your assignment is going to be to go observe them and how they vary from person to person. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. Thanks.